Hello, hello, hello. This is ADV Trust, and I'm doing an unboxing of I guess it's the November or the December Nomadik gift box, stash box, monthly box. I don't know. It's a box I get every month in the mail. My husband signed me up for the subscription. Before I was getting Sketchbox, and while that box was fun, since I'm in camping and outdoor activity, he has switched me over now to Nomadik, and I got my first intro box last month, and the spork that you saw in the camp set, cook set video was actually from the Nomadik monthly subscription. So I don't know what's in this box, so it'll be an adventure for you and me. And again, I really like getting these. One is, you know, I like the Nomadik, right? We all want to be nomads. And two, it has a little camping symbol on the top. And you never know what kind of goodies you're actually going to get in it. And you know, I don't like... So, I think I got my camera stuff all sorted out. Alright, so let's see what we have in the box. And these boxes come, I think it is every month. I also get the treat box, treats.com or something like that, and that is like one of my favorite boxes to get as well. And again, you can see inside the lid, it's really kind of cool. It's got the little camper, not that I'm into camping on a camper, and the Nomadik symbol. Alright, and then we get a little, you know, your Nomadik challenge, and you know, winter travels, and then it talks about what's inside the box and gives you some ideas, so that's cool. And then we'll go ahead and open it up here. Alright, so first things first, you always get a sticker. I put one of these on my side cases, and I think the stickers are always different, but maybe they're the same. I'll in the next box I'll keep this one. The first one I put on my side cases right away, but I'll keep this one and then we'll check next time if it's different. So we've got a little, I don't even know what this is. A little, I'm actually gonna have to read what this is. This is a threaded wallet elastic card holder. Okay, sounds cool. Oh, I see. And it's actually got, so here's the little connector for your pack, and then you can see they've got one of the cards actually in it. So I guess this would be kind of handy if you wanted to. And honestly, how I would use this is my climb jacket came with a card, you know, that has like your name and emergency contacts. So I could see using something like this to put, you know, like, you know, critical information and keep it on my jacket. But also, you know, if you were just bebopping around and wanted to keep your credit card, that could be kind of handy. But for me, I would use it for my emergency information. So cool. A little card holder. That's neat. One item. And in the last Nomadik box, I also got some of this, but you get these different kind of energy bars or protein bars. This is the RX bar, and it's telling you what's in it. And this one's flavored chocolate sea salt. So that's kind of cool. So a little energy bar. Oh, these are cool. I've been wanting one of these too. Not only are these, and I think they're made out of silicone. And oh, by the way, if you watch the Camp Cook set, I called everything aluminum. It was actually all titanium. But this is, I'm pretty sure, probably going to be silicone. And it's a 3.4 fluid ounce silicone squeegee. And these are really good, not only for shampoo, but also like if you want to take condiments, like even though I primarily, when I go moto camping, do the Mountain House or Backpacker's Pantry meals, sometimes you really just would like to have ketchup, and these are also really good for carrying around condiments. So pretty handy. This is kind of nice, so I like that. The next thing in the box is green goo dry skin salve. And this is really good for me because in the winter, and this is kind of cool that this came in a winter box, my skin gets really dry, and especially on my hands, and then my hands start to crack and bleed, which is totally horrible, but that's, you know, what I get. And it's weird because, you know, I've got like Sweden, Norwegian, you know, DNA. I did the Ancestry.com, and you would think my skin would be more, but no. Oh well. Okay, so anyway, so this is kind of handy. So this is something I would definitely put in my bike bag to take care of my skin when my skin gets dry. So that's nice. And then the big thing in the bag, is a pack bag, which is actually useful. This is just one big compartment pack bag. And this is kind of handy for a variety of things, right? So like if you're having your toiletries or your bike repair kit, or like me, my camera stuff, or even like, you know, your condiments and stuff can go in here. So this is actually kind of a nice bag. And it has a handle on it, so if you're going somewhere and like me, you know, some of the rallies and stuff we go to in the bathrooms, hey, you know, you hang it over the soap dispenser or whatever, to kind of keep your stuff out of the sinks. So this is actually kind of nice. So I got a nice little pack bag. Right, so for the Nomadik monthly subscription, I think this is for November, you get a nice little bag, and this is actually feels like it's made pretty well, and these attachments are really good, and it's got a heavy duty zipper. One thing that some of the bags really bug me is their zippers are pretty wimpy, and this is actually a nice heavy duty one with metal buckles. So perfect Topo design bag. 3.4 liter go tube, which is nice and handy. Sample bar from RX Bar. This is a chocolate sea salt. Little card holder or identification holder. And there's actually a couple sleeves here, so you could actually put, you know, multiple cards, and it's really in there, so I don't think this is going to slip out even if you were hiking around. So that's kind of handy and neat. This dry skin salve, big win on my side, and then of course the Nomadik sticker. And is there anything interesting here to share with y'all? So threaded wallet elastic card holder, keep your cards and cash safe. Very nice, 2 to 10 cards. Made from rugged silicone. Oh, thank gosh, I got that right. Oh, and it stands up, so you can stand it up. Good. Green Goo Skin Salve Jumbo Stick. Oh, and nice. This is made with beeswax, and beeswax really is one of the best things to use for dry skin, and a lot of other things. So technically, if you have any zippers that are sticking or anything else, you've got a quick fix right here. And then the RX bar, and very cool. So again, that's a quick unboxing of the Nomadik. Let me see if I can get the title in here. The Nomadik monthly subscription, and actually quite a few handy things to use in here, and actually stuff that I will put in my motorcycle bag. So again, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy trails, and talk to you soon. Ciao.